And what you're seeing is my bird Chickasaw, and he's cuddling against my chest. Look at this bird. Look at him. He's cuddling against my chest. He loves to cuddle. You don't see birds that do this very often. Isn't he sweet? Isn't he? Now, he's not really biting. He's just kind of nibbles. He likes to nibble on the fingers sometimes. I don't know if it's his way of saying don't stop petting or what, but he doesn't bite down. He only bites down when he's mad. And you can tell when he does it too. Oh, yeah, see, he loves to cuddle. He is the first bird I have ever seen cuddle like this. Oh, look at that. He's putting his head under my fingers for me to pet him. He's a sweetie pie. I love him. Oh. This is hard to angle this phone, but can you believe this bird? He is against my chest. He is tucking his hand under my hand, his head under my hand. And just, oh, he's a sweetie. I love him. Well, let's say goodnight to the people now. Yeah. Let's say goodnight.